Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths Chapter number 9 Practice Set 39. So let's see the question of Practice Set 39. Suresh and Ramesh together invested 1,44,000 rupees in the ratio 4:5 and bought a plot of land. After some year, they sold it at a profit of 20%. What is the profit each of them got? That means Ramesh and Suresh, they totally invested rupees 1,44,000 and their ratio is 4:5 and they purchased a plot, and after some year they sold that plot and they get profit 20%. So what is the profit each of them got? That means we have to check Suresh got how much profit and Ramesh got how much profit. So let's see. The total investment is 1,44,000 rupees and total percent was 20%. So let's do it. Total percent equal to 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1,44,000. So this 20 will be cancelled. So 20 into 1,440 will remain. So you will multiply in rough work. You will get 28,800 rupees. So that means proportion of investment is 4:5. So Suresh is 4x and Ramesh is of 5x. So 4x plus 5x equal to this total profit is 28,800 we will write here. Now this 4 plus 9 you will get 9x equal to 28,800. Now we will take out x outside. 28,800 upon 9. Now you will cancel. You will get 3,200. So now let's take out Suresh equal to 4x because the first ratio is of 4 and first name is Suresh. So that's why 4x, 4 into x we know it, 3,200. So we will multiply this 2, you will get 12,800. Now same way Ramesh, 5x. So 5 multiplied by 3,200 you will get 16,000. So that means Suresh got a profit of 12,800 and Ramesh got a profit of rupees 16,000. So in this way you have to solve first question. Now let's see second question. Virat and Samrat together invested 50,000 and 1,20,000 rupees to start a business. They suffered a loss of 20%. How much loss did each of them incur? Means students, in the second question, Virat has invested 50,000 and Samrat was invested 1,20,000 rupees in a business and they suffered a loss. How much loss? 20% loss. So let's see how much loss did each of them will get. Like Virat got how much loss and Samrat got how much loss. So let's start. Second sum. Total investment is 50,000 plus 1,20,000. Total is, we will do the plus of these two. So 1,70,000. So loss earned is 20%. So total loss 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1,70,000. So you will cancel 0, 0. So you will get 20 multiplied by 1,700. So you will multiply, you will get 34,000. Now we will see the ratio. Virat is to Samrat. 50,000 ratio, 1,20,000 ratio. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 will cancel from here and from here. So now 5 ratio 12. Let the cost be x. Virat loss 5x and Samrat loss 12x. Now 5x plus 12x you will get 34,000, which we have already taken out the total loss. Now this 5 plus 12 you will get 17x equal to 3400. Now we will take out x outside, equal to 3400 upon 17. Now x equal to 2000 in this way. So we get x. So let's take out Virat loss, 5x. So 5 multiplied by 2000, you will get 10,000. Same way Samrat loss, 12x. 12 multiplied by 2000, you will get 24,000. So therefore you can write, students, Virat incurred a loss of 10,000 and Samrat incurred a loss of 24,000. Now we will see third question. Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000 rupees and started a business of selling sheet and towels from Solapur. Shweta's share of capital was 30,000 rupees and Piyush 12,000. At the end of the year, they had made a profit of 24%. What was Nachiket investment and what was his share of the profit? Now we have to see how much Nachiket has invested and how much profit he get, because we know the total invested Shweta, Piyush and Nachiket together invested 80,000, but personally we have to see that how much Nachiket has invested in this. So let's see. Investment of Shweta is rupees 30,000. Investment of Piyush is 12,000 and investment of Nachiket we don't know, so rupees X. So total investment is 80,000. So you will do the plus of Shweta and Piyush plus Nachiket equal to 80,000. So you will get 30 plus 12, 42,000 and X here 80,000 and X outside 80,000 minus 42,000. You will get X equal to 38,000. Therefore इन्वेस्टमेंट बाय नचिकेत इज रुपीज़ 38,000. तो अभी हमें पता चल गया कि नचिकेत हैज़ इन्वेस्टेड 38,000. नाउ प्रॉफिट इज 24%. नचिकेत रिसीव 24% profit on rupees 38,000. So let the profit earned by Nachiket be rupees X. Then X equal to 24% of 38,000. So 24 upon 100 we will write, because percent we have to see, and multiply by 38,000. This 20 will cancel from here. So 38 multiply by 24. So you will get answer 9,120. So therefore you can write here investment by Nachiket is rupees 38,000. His share of profit is rupees 9,120. So this is part 1 video, students. In the part 2, I will show you the next sum. Thank you, students.